Are you tired of searching for the attachment button in Zoho Mail? Learn to attach any file in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through each step, from composing to sending, so you never miss an attachment again. Start by clicking the New Mail button to compose a fresh email. Then, in the To field, type the recipient's email address. Now, click on the Subject field to give your email a title. Go ahead and enter a clear subject line for your message. Next, click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Choose Upload Files and wait for the file to finish uploading. Once it's done, click the Attach button to confirm. Finally, hit Send to deliver your email with the attachment. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.